तो चलिए हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। व्हाट इज डिनोटेड एल्कोहल? इथेनॉल मिक्स्ड with little methanol. Which of the following is an example of physical changes? In the example where there is no changes in chemical composition of matter. Coal changing into coal ash on burning. Preparing a sweet drink by mixing sugar in water. Whitewashing walls using a solution of lime and water. Mixing salt and lemon juice in a beaker. Option only B. Prepare a sweet drink by mixing sugar in water. Which element is located in group 18? Helium. Dash. A 4 carbon chain with a triple bond is called bitenene. इस साइड का ये पढ़ लेते हैं. Chili peppers produce burning sensation in any tissue with which they come to contact. What is the compound responsible for this? Capsaicin. How many covalent bonds are present between the constitution atoms? Molecules butane and hexane, 13 and 19. Which of the following is a natural indicator for acid and base? China rose. When the pH value of solid is more than 7.5, they are considered to be alkaline soil. Which of the following statement is correct? Chlorine has the highest electron affinity while fluorine has the highest electronegativity. The space filling model emphasizes the relative size of each atom based on Van der Waals radius. आगे देखते हैं. What is the primary gas responsible for the having effect in bread when yeast ferments sugar? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plays a vital role in changing Earth's climate, leading to a critical condition known as greenhouse effect. Which of the following pollutants is responsible for the acidification of ocean? Carbon dioxide. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है एसिडिफिकेशन ऑफ ओशियन मतलब एशिया समुद्र में एसिड जाति का निर्माण करने में इसका बहुत बड़ा रोल है. विच ऑफ इन विच डिड जॉन डाल्टन प्रेजेंट एटॉमिक थ्योरी? 1908. द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेट दैट ऑल एटम्स इन particular element are equal. What is the atomic number of uranium? 92. याद रखना. Which property of an element is inversely related to its ionization energy? Atomic radiation. The iodine value of oil and fat indicates degree of unsaturation. The periodic table that is trends for atomic radius as you move from left to right across period horizontally. हॉरिजेंटल में कौन सा जाता है? एटॉमिक रेडियस डिक्रीज होगा. मोल्सले ऑब्जर्व दैट द प्लॉट ऑफ V against atomic number Z gave a straight line. What does V indicate here? इसका आंसर नहीं है. The element with atomic number 59 lies in which of the following periodic table? The F block. कई सारा ब्लॉक होता है, आप लोगों को बताएंगे. The element that are liquid at room temperature 25 degree Celsius, bromine and mercury. The temperature of minus 270 degree 0.15 degree Celsius is called absolute zero temperature. The approximate number of water molecules present 9 gram of water is 3.011 into 1023. The structure of methanol is CH3OH. This kind of representative is known as condensate structure formula. At what temperature do Celsius and Fahrenheit scales have the same value? I think 0. ना 0 और 73 तो easy था. The elements that are liquid at room temperature 25 degree, bromine and mercury. According to according to Newland's law of octavas, every 8 elements has properties similar to those of the first element. Which of the following element has the property similar to N? P. The element in group 17 of periodic table are known as halogens. Helium gas can be converted to the liquid form by the London force of attraction. At 1 bar pressure, the volume of fixed amount of hydrogen gas is 2.27 liter. What will the volume of the pressure is kept 0.2 bar 11 350 cm3. Which inorganic compound is known is undergo solid state reaction to form urea ammonium cyanide. Select the correct order of process used for water purification in water worker: filtration, chlorination, suspended impurity sedimentation, solid impurity sedimentation. तो पहले क्या होगा? 4 नंबर होगा solid impurity sedimentation, उसके बाद क्या होगा? 3 नंबर सस्पेंडेड impurity sedimentation, उसके बाद 1 नंबर फिल्टराइजेशन, उसके बाद होगा क्लोराइन. ऑर्थो orthosulfobenzene is one of the artificial sweeteners. Is also known as saccharin. J. J. Thomson is known developing which model? In 1898, Palm's pudding model. Which of the following option correctly matches column A to column B? तो पहले इसी को ही देख लेते हैं. एक होगा कैटल केस होगा सी. कैटल केस होगा सी. सिल्वर फिश 2. सिल्वर फिश होगा मेडुला. सिल्वर फिश होगा मेडुला. उसके बाद 3 नंबर होगा डेविल फिश होगा 3 का बी. अच्छा 3 का होगा बी. और 2 का होगा डी लेडिसियम. सिल्वर फिश लेडिसियम और डेविल फिश होगा सल्फॉर्म्स और कैट फिश होगा ए साल यूरिफॉर्म्स. Which of the following cases of compound does xyloxyne belongs? Alkynic compound 0.25 gram of organic compound kept 0.13 gram of water after complete combustion. The percentage of combustion hydrogen is 5.78%. What is the charge of an electron? Negative. Suspended solid in water can increase the haziness of water. Which of the represent the measurement of haziness of water? turbidity. इस साइड का भी देख ही लेते हैं. What is the process of substance changing directly from a solid to a gas without passing through the liquid state? Sublimation. कैसे रहा होता है ना, solid से गैस या फिर एक होता है लिक्विड, इस सबके बारे में बताया गया है. चलिए आगे देखते हैं. The IUPAC name CH3CO2 18CH3 is icene. Select the synthetic indicator from among the given option. Methanol orange. The red color of tomato is due to icophone. लाइकोफोन है, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बार बार आता रहता है. ए ग्रुप ऑफ नेचुरल सब्सटेंस विथ वेरिएबल फोनेटिक स्ट्रक्चर which are found in fruits, vegetable, grains is called flavonoids. The black coating formed on silver jewelry is Ag22S. चलिए आगे देखते हैं. ज़्यादा नहीं. The amount of dissolved oxygen in water becomes oxygen in water becomes lowest at what time of the day? In the dawn, मतलब सूरज जब पर शाम होता है उस टाइम ऑक्सीजन वाटर नहीं होता. Which of the molecules so dophel dophele interacting molecules possession permanent dipole? What solution should be used to test for the presence of stretch of food? Iodine solution. तो चलिए करते हैं. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एसएससी सीजीएल 2024 का जीके का जितने भी केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन आता है सारा का सारा करते हैं आज हम लोग. तो देखते हैं. Which of the following is a straight chain alkaline carboxylic acid with chemical formula CH3CH2 CH2 CO2H butyric acid. What is the product formed when Janic and sulfuric acid react? Janic sulfate. जेनिक और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड जब रिएक्ट करता है तो क्या होता है? जेनिक सल्फेट होता है. विच polyatomic ionic compound is white crystalline powder used in fire extinguish to neutralize acid and base. तो बोला जा रहा है फायर एक्सटिंग्विश में कौन सा आइकोनिक कंपाउंड वाइट कंपाउंड लगाया जाता है? क्रिस्टलाइन पाउडर लगाया जाता है, मतलब यूज़ किया जाता है न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए एसिड एंड बेस को. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. आइडेंटिफाई द स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का फॉर्मूला देखते हैं. ये रिपीट हुआ है MgOH2. Which of the following gases releases when dilute sulfuric acid react with magnesium H2? dilute sulfuric acid जब मैग्नीशियम से रिएक्ट करेगा तो क्या गैस होगा? H2. Okay. Which of the following gases plays an important role in welding titanium, aluminum, stainless steel, and magnesium, argon? Which electricity is passed through water? What kind of chemical reaction occurs? Decomposition. Who developed the theory of combustion as a chemical reaction with oxygen? 18th century. एंटोनियो लुइजवर. एंटोनियो लुइजवर क्या बनाया है? थ्योरी. कौन सी थ्योरी? थ्योरी ऑफ कॉम्बसन एज ए केमिकल रिएक्शन with oxygen. Ernest Rutherford used about dash thick gold foil for alpha scattering experiment 100 atoms. अर्नेस्ट रदरफोर्ड ने 100 एटम्स को यूज किया था अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए. चलिए आगे देखते हैं. Why does the milkman add very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk to increase pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? दूध वाला क्या मिलाता है? pH लेवल बढ़ाने के लिए क्या बनाता है? बेकिंग सोडा उसमें थोड़ा सा मिला देते हैं. Which of the following is the most acidic? HCOOH. HCOOH. Which of the following is another name of vitamin C? एस्कार्बिक एसिड. एस्कार्बिक एसिड का दूसरा another नाम क्या है? विटामिन सी. What is the gas evolved when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid? इस पहले भी एक क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. जिंक और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड बनता है क्या? हाइड्रोजन. Which essential amino acid enhance calcium absorption and also plays an important role in the formation of collagen? Lysine. An organic reaction used to convert an diazonium salt into a halide using copper halide catalyst is called Sandmeyer reaction. Calculate the oxidation number of H2SO4. The chemical formula glucose 6 C6 C6H12O6. The weight of the carbon in glucose is 40. Which of the following is not a Halogen gas? He. Which of the following chemical reaction takes place when quick lime quicklime reacts with water? CaO C. क्विक जो पानी से रिएक्ट करेगा तो क्या बनेगा? CaOS H2O1 H2I CaOH2aq. For chemical reaction with rise in temperature by 10 degree, the rate constant become nearly double. A chemical reaction in which the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the fast power of the concentration of the reacting substance is called fast order reaction. चलिए देखते हैं. According to Mendeleev's periodic table, which element properties match up remarkably by एका सिलिकॉन किसे बोला जाता है? जर्मेनियम. एका सिलिकॉन किसे बोला जाता है? जर्मेनियम को. Which it is acid used as a souring agent added in the vinegar, pickled vegetable and causes, and as a raw material for seasons. Acetic acid. The type of which among the following is not a classification criterion of drug behavioral condition? The name the straight chain alkyne having chemical formula C9H20, which is used as a research chemical and in making biodegradable detergents. No name. Transition elements are the elements that are found in group 312 of the modern periodic table. The constant the D block. आगे करते हैं. To which group alkaline earth metal such as radium, barium, strontium belongs? Group 2A. Palladium on barium sulfate PdBaSO4 is also known as Rosemont catalyst. Which of the following is a correct order of basicity? CSOH, KOH, NaOH, LiOH. The composition of gaseous ammonia on a hot platinum surface is a disorder reaction at a high pressure 0. In which musical note did Newland put in metals CONI? हेलोन डू. और सारे गमपा में होता है ना, सारे गमपा उसी से म्यूजिकल नोट से बनाया गया था पहले का पीरियोडिक टेबल. तो डू में क्या आता है? को कॉपर निकल. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Nitric oxide greenhouse gas नहीं है. Which gas is evolved when iron and water react? Hydrogen. आयरन एंड वाटर जब मिलता है तो क्या मिलता है? हाइड्रोजन. काफ़ी बार रिपीट हो चुका है. Which of the following statements are true based on the 4NH3G plus 502G? 4NOG6H2OG. A D होगा. N gets oxidized, D. O gets reduced. Which two organic chemists are known for observing periodic peroxidum effect in adding reagents to unsaturated compounds? 1933. Maurice S. Kharks and Frank R. Milo. As per Mendeleev predictive atomic mass of एका aluminium 64. एका aluminium का मास कितना है? 64. The Newton's octopus properties of lithium and dash are found in the same sodium. लिथियम और सोडियम का प्रॉपर्टी जो है सेम है. Which of the following decomposition reaction is not A redox reaction, decomposition of calcium and carbonate. What is the IUPAC? IUPAC, name of tartrate-butyl alcohol, 2-methyl propane L OL, which allotrope of carbon was discovered by Robert F. Karl, Harold W. Cato, and Richard E. Swamy in 1985. Fullerene identify, अच्छा एक बार देख लेते हैं. रॉबर्ट ई कार्ल एंड हैरल्ड डब्ल्यू क्रोटो, रिचर्ड ई स्वामी इन 1950 में कौन सा चीज़ बनाया था? फ्लोराइन. आइडेंटिफाई द मोनोटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल्स. हेलियम. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन? C3H8. When you take lead nitrate powder in a boiling tube and heat it, what will absorb emission of brown fumes that are nitrogen oxide? Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding water remaining colder in the earthen pot matka? Environmental water vapor enters the pot through pores. मतलब क्या कारण से मतलब मटका में जो है पानी ठंडा रहता है काफ़ी समय तक. What was Antonio Laurent Liouville's most important contribution to the chemistry? 1789. Law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass किसने बताया था? एंटोनियो लुइविल. Second time repeated. Find out why white silver chloride turns gray in sunlight. White silver chloride जो ग्रे हो जाता है सनलाइट में क्यों होता है? Due to decomposition of silver chloride into silver chlorine by light. When halocanin and Ariel and Vinian halides react the magnesium metal, they yield which reagent? Grignard reagent. How many carbon dioxide in water and molecules B will be there in the product side if of the following equation is met? C2H5 OH plus OH, CO2 H2O 2 and 3 respectively. The cause of redox reaction is the transfer of electron between two reactants. Which of the following element is metalloid? सिलिकॉन. सिलिकॉन क्या है? मेटलेट है. मतलब मेटल मतलब कि मेटल और नॉन मेटल के बीच का चीज. ठीक है. Which of the following organelle is defined as the small round organelle that undergoes oxidation reaction due to produce hydrogen peroxide. Peroxidase. Au is the symbol of which of the following elements? Gold. Grignard reagent is present as CH3 MgCi. Which of the following gases emits lights when electricity passes through it? Neon. नियोन के इस पार से उस पार जब जाता है नियोन के गैस जाता है तब क्या होता है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मतलब थोड़ा सा लाइटिंग करता है, लाइट बढ़ जाता है. Which of the following is not physical changes? Cardoic of Mill. Who reconciled Dalton's atomic hypothesis with Gay-Lussac result? Combination of Horium in 1881. Amadeo Avogadro. Which amount is called Avogadro constant? Name of the 19th century scientist Amadeo Avogadro. 6.022 into 123. यहाँ में एक छूट गया था. In the context of periodicity, a unit called picometer is used to measure of atomic radius. CHSL का केमिस्ट्री का जीके. In which year did Johannes Nicholas Bonstad, and Thomas Martin Lowry proposed the fundamental concept of acid-base. 1923, in which year did Robert Brown observe the zigzag movement correlation particle solution? 1827, in which we are following an example of solid, which is the following example of solid in a liquid type of solution? Tungsure to iodine. The method of separation of mixture of mixture of soluble solid by dissolving them in a suitable hot solvent and then lowering the temperature slowly called fractional crystallization, in which you're following the liquid wood anthraceans dissolve benzene, in which of the following isotope is used as a fuel in a nuclear power plants? यूरेनियम 235 न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट में क्या यूज करा जाता है? यूरेनियम 235. Who developed the technique of preserving the quality of food by raising temperature to prevent microbial growth in the food? Louis Pasteur. Milk of magnesia is a suspension of dash water, magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. The color of surface of Mars is red because of the presence of large amount of chemical compounds in it. What is the name of the compound? आयरन ऑक्साइड. आयरन ऑक्साइड ज़्यादा होने की वजह से मार्स का जो रंग जो है थोड़ा सा लाल है. Which of the following contains small droplets of the liquid and particles of solid dispersed in gas? Arsenal. Who introduced concept of virtual water? John Antonio Allen. In 1960, which isotope was used as a defined standard measure of length? Krypton 86. The reaction of an acid and metal gives hydrogen gas salt. हाइड्रोजन गैस सोल्ट. रिएक्शन एसिड एंड मेटल का रिएक्शन क्या होगा? हाइड्रोजन गैस सोल्ट. हु डिस्क्राइब द हाइपोथेसिस दैट equal volume of different gases contain an equal number of molecules? Amadeo Avogadro. Amadeo Avogadro क्या बोलते हैं? Volume of different gases contains an equal number of molecules. Volume of different gases contains equal number of molecules. Who discovered the atomic number based on the X-ray wavelength? 1913. Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley. A proton bond to the oxygen atom of a solvent water to give a trigonal pyramidal. Which of the following reaction leads to the formation of glucose pentastate from the acidic anhydrine ecotonic of glucose? What is the IUPAC of the compound CH3NH2 methanaminium? IUPAC compound name of CH3NH2 methanaminium. The reaction of an acid and metal gives hydrogen gas and salt. Which non-essential amino acid is synthesized by the hydrogenation of phenylium in a reaction of catalyst in phenylium hydroxide? Thiazine. Which of the following statement best describes the Hardy-Swizel rule? Hardy-Swizel इसको कौन से describe कर रहा है यहाँ पर? The amount of electrocycle required for the coagulation of definite amount of colloidal solution is dependent on the valency of the coagulation. Identify the incorrect pair regarding the material media and their refraction index. Bohringen 2042. Select the olfactory indicator from the among the given option. Clove oil. चलिए 2024 में जेई में जो केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन आया था. Which of the following statement is correct? A neutron has a no electron charges. Why cannot we write chemical formula of a compound formed by chlorine and sodium as CiNA instead of NaCl? The rule is to write name of the metal first, क्योंकि मेटल का नाम पहले लिखा जाता है. Which of the following location is known for lignite coal production? Nai Valley. The valency of Ca is 2 plus. Valency of O is 2 minus. What is the simplified chemical formula? Calcium oxide CaO. Which chemical compound is responsible for the spicy taste in chili? चिली में स्पाइसी टेस्ट के लिए कौन सा केमिकल कंपाउंड होता है? कैप्सेनिन होता है. Which of the following groups of the periodic table is a metallic element? Silver's found group 11. If the atomic mass of the carbon is 20.011, that of hydrogen 1.008, and that of oxygen 15.99, then calculate the molecule mass of C2H4O 44.053. A man started working in a factory where he needed to deal with the steam and boiling water regularly. On the first day, his doctor warned him to be more careful of the steam because burn caused by steam and can be more sharp than that of hot water. What is the reason behind this? Steam has more. चलिए करते हैं. Which chemical reaction occur when you mix vinegar, acetic acid and baking soda? Neutralization. Since the attraction between molecules of gas is very low, what benefit do we get from the properties of gas? Compound and stored in small cylinders. What is the chemical formula for ammonia? NH3. Ammonia का chemical formula क्या है? NH3. Olefin gas belong to which of the following functional group? Alkynes का ग्रुप से क्या निकलता है? Olefin. It is a fact that if you don't drink from plastic bottle and throw it in the dustbin, it will still be there when your grandchildren are old. What is the reason behind this? प्लास्टिक मिट्टी के साथ मिलता क्यों नहीं है? प्लास्टिक गलता क्यों नहीं है? प्लास्टिक डिसॉल्व क्यों नहीं होता? इसका मतलब ये है प्लास्टिक आर नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. प्लास्टिक आर की नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. Who discovered certain technique called black reaction, which was capable of revealing neurons in their entirety? Camillo Golgi. Which food item has pH value between 2 and 3? This value makes acidic. Lemon juice. Lemon juice का pH value क्या है? 2 से लेकर 3 के बीच में. Which of the following minerals is essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth? Phosphorus क्या बनाता है? Healthy teeth और healthy bone. Name of the sublimation substance that can be converted into gas without passing through any intermediate liquid. Naphthalene. Okay. The particles that form the main part of the nucleus of an atom are together known as nucleons. Which compound is used to neutralize fatty acid and convert them into salt and phosphorus called saponification? Sodium hydroxide. The process by which molecules from a region of higher concentration move to a region of lower concentration. Diffusion. हायर concentration से lower concentration माना को क्या बोलते हैं? Diffusion. What is the name of compound with the formula of N2O5? डाइनिट्रोजन पेंथोक्साइड. NO ऑफर क्या होता है? डाई नाइट्रोजन कॉन्ट्राइड। डाई मतलब दो, सॉरी, डाई मतलब दो, दो नाइट्रोजन एंड पेंटाइड। ऑक्सीजन कितना होगा? 5, ऑक्सीजन 5, इसलिए क्या होगा? डाई नाइट्रोजन पेंटाइड। Which of the following is a colorful liquid formula CHCl2 3 which evaporated rapidly and turns into gas? क्लोरोफॉर्म। क्लोरोफॉर्म क्या होता है? तुरंत ही इवेपोरेट होता है और गैस में बन जाता है। Which of the following diminerals the enamels of the teeth? Acidic produced by bacteria, acidic produced by bacteria. Which of the following chemical formula of baking soda? NaHCO3. What is the freezing point of water of calcium scale? 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस में क्या होगा? वाटर क्या होगा? फ्रीज हो जाएगा, मतलब जम जाएगा। If an atom has atomic number 6 and number of neutron 10, then what is the atomic mass of the atom? 16. If the meat is cooked 140 degree Celsius, which of the following reaction occur? Maillard reaction. Boron is the only metalate of which group of the periodic table? Group of 13. What is the chemical reaction that occurs when fats or oils combine with a strong alkali such as sodium hydroxide and make a soap? Saponification. Saponification से बनता है। Which element is transition metal of group 9 of periodic table? Cobalt CO. Calcium hydroxide is the chemical name of calcium hydroxide. Chemical name of which of the following saturated aqueous solution? Lime water. Which is the correct formula? Correct formula, calculated formula unit masses of combination. Summation of all the atomic mass of all the atoms within the formula. Which sulfur containing present preservation is used to increase the shelf life of meat products such as fresh sugases and burgers? Sodium metabisulfite. Which of the following is a simple monocarboxyl and containing two carbons? Acetic acid. Acetic acid. Which of the following statement is true? Iodine rocks are used as a fuel by igniting them. Sodium. Sedimentary rocks can never change into metamorphic rocks or magma. ना, तो चेंज होता है। Igneous rocks can changes into sedimentary rocks over a long period of time. ये बात सही है। Igneous rocks बदल जाता है sedimentary rock में। Magma can form sedimentary rocks on cooling. ना, गलत बात है। मैग्मा अपने आप में गलत होता है। Bring water is saturated or strongly impregnated with which of the following ionic compound? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. What is the most common factor for the yielding of Taj Mahal gradually over the years? Acid rain. Acid rain की वजह से हो सकता है ताजमहल का रंग जो है बदल जाए। Which of the following is not contest of the soil? Steroid. What is the value of 1 electron volt, which is especially used for nuclear science? 1.602 into 10 19 joules. The process of measuring various physical and chemical properties of the rocks and fluid within a wellbore is known as well logging. Most seawater has about how many salt in every 100 gram? 35 ग्राम। मतलब 1 kg में 35 ग्राम क्या होता है? सॉल्ट यानी कि नमक होता है। चलिए खत्म होने वाला है, थोड़ा सा है, 1 2 3 क्वेश्चन है। Something when heated solid changes into liquid at normal atmospheric pressure. on reaching its melting point. What is the name of the amount heated required? Latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion. Which white powder uh, lubricants in modern kitchen combine with acid and produce carbon dioxide? Sodium bicarbonate. Which of the following does not affect changes in the state of matter? इसलिए आंसर डी होगा, चेंजिंग द कलर ऑफ द मैटर. चलिए, सिलेक्शन पोस्ट केमिस्ट्री ग्रेजुएशन लेवल. कंपाउंड्स लाइक गिंगेरोल एंड पेराडोल, साइकोल्स, जिंगेरन, एंटी एंटी माइक्रोबियल कंपाउंड फाउंड इन जिंगर. चलिए इसका देखते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज बेस्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ले कैटेलियर प्रिंसिपल. ले कैटेलियर प्रिंसिपल के बारे में सबसे अच्छा कौन बता रहा है? ऑप्शन सी. द प्रिंसिपल स्टेट दैट चेंजेस इन द वेरिएबल दैट डिस्क्राइब ए सिस्टम ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम causes a shift of the equilibrium position to contrast the changes. Atmospheric temperature does not depend on salinity of ocean. The transfer of heat through horizontal movement of air is called advection. Advection कहा जाता है. चलिए आप जान लेते हैं हायर सेकेंडरी लेवल में. हु इज द बेस्ट नोन फॉर हिज testimony of climate changes congregation committees in the 1980, which helped raise wider awareness of the global warming issue. James Hansen. The likelihood of neutral atom gaining an electron is known as electron affinity. This is an example of economy. Means what is the adulterate of what? Paprika, Sudan dye. In ethanol, C2H4, hybridization of carbon atom, sp2. Matriculate level. Technetium, the first artificially produced element used in many medical diagnostic image, imaging scans, found in the group of periodic table, group number 7. Which metallic in the carbon group is chemically similar to its group neighbors and tin and silicon? Germanium. Chemically जो है टीन और सिलिकॉन का मतलब थोड़ा बहुत मैच करता है, उसमें एक जैसा है. के selected species are characterized by species possessing relatively stable population and which tend to produce relatively low number of offspring. From the given alternative, identify a inner planet. Mercury. Mercury होगा inner planet. What is the function of cytochrome P450? Detoxification of xenobites. Who among the following is known for his work related to the discovery of inert gaseous elements in the air or determination of their place in periodic table? Sir William Ramsay. Which of the following groups represent essential amino acid? HTD, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine. Which inert gas is used double gassed window to fill the space between the panes? Argon. 6 नंबर छूट गया था, पढ़ लेते हैं. Which article element has been provisionally named seaborgium by American researchers in honor of Nobel laureate Glenn T. Shepard? Element 106. In which of the following years did Antoine Liouville discover the law of conservation of mass and state that mass is conserved chemical reaction? 1789. CPO 2024 chemistry. What, what is the chemical formula? Butane, C4H10. Which of the following polygon compounds is used to produce the free Frighten R22 chloroform? What is provitamin A, an anti-cancer compound present in carrot called beta carotene? The depositional pattern of CaCO3 and other material that extend upward from the floor of a limestone cavern is known as stalagmite. What is the name of the aromatic compound given in the figure? Naphthalene. According to Mendeleev's periodic table, which of the element properties matches remarkably well Aka aluminum, gallium, are in the substance that is not a allotrope of carbon, phosphorus, which of the following is the IUPAC named a M declorobranch, 1 3 declorobranch. The signs of charges of electron, proton and neutron are negative, positive and न्यूट्रल इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है नेगेटिव प्रोटॉन जो है पॉजिटिव न्यूट्रॉन जो है न्यूट्रल है अच्छा याद करने के लिए न्यूट्रॉन से न्यूट्रल प्रोटॉन से प्रोटॉन से पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन से नेगेटिव Which of the following organic compounds is a benzoate aniline? The IUPAC name of a compound. The dash indicates the total number of carbon atoms present in the longest carbon chain belonging to the compound root. The tendency the tendency of an atom or function of group attract a shared pair of electrons towards itself called what? Electronegativity. What are bases that are soluble by water called alkaline? Select the name of the hydrocarbon with the structural formula CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, N-hexene. Which of the following figure occurred depict the inner conversation of the three states of matter? B. इसमें बी होगा सही सॉलिड से लिक्विड लिक्विड से गैस गैस से सॉलिड जाने के लिए The tendency of an atom of function group to attract a shared pair of electrons towards itself called as electronegativity. Which of the following compound is an alkyne compound? Chlorophane. Which is the following of an chain organic compound? Acethaldehyde. Which of the following consists sedimentary and gaseous cycles by a geochemical cycle? Which of the following figures represents Mendeleev's periodic table in 1872? C. Chemistry GD 2024. Periodic table has a 18 vertical columns known as groove and dash horizontal rows 7. Vertically होगा 18 और उस साइड हॉरिजॉन्टली होगा 7 याद रखना है एलिमेंट्स इन द मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल आर अरेंज इन 8 and 7 सेम क्वेश्चन आया है dash is a form of matter in which many of the electrons wander around freely among the nuclei of atom plasma. How many vertical columns are presented in the modern periodic table? 18. Which of the following elements is a part of the Diplov periodic table? Oxygen. Consider the following statement: A, A, B, and C are true. A gas that flows Boyle law, Carnot's law, and Avogadro law is called an ideal gas. As per Guy Lawson's law, a constant volume pressure of fixed amount of a gas varies directly with the temperature. Silicon is represented in the group 14 and period of 3. The periodic table A, B and C are true. The A, H is. Which of the following is not a block element? P block element in the periodic table. Magnesium. In the periodic table, the group consists of the element known as the noble gas. Group 18. Consider following statement. Calcium is presented in S block of periodic table. Metals composed are 78% of all known elements appear and left aside by the periodic table. D block elements are also known as inner transition electron. Both A and B is true. How many elements are present in first periodic table? 2. Define definite shape. Distinct boundaries are characteristic of which of the following state of matter? Solid. Newton's law of octobus was only applicable up to element Ca. Phosphorus classifies metal in the form of how many basic elements? 5. What is the other name of the solid carbon dioxide? Dry ice. Which of the following statement is true or divisior traits? एक are दो. Traits where in border of atomic masses. Atomic masses of middle elements was roughly average atomic masses of other two elements. 8. Absolute 0 Kelvin to minus 270 degree 0.15 Celsius. The participant of the stove moving. When Mendeleev started his work, how many elements are were known at that time? 63. In 1816, John Newland, an English scientist, arranged the then known element of the order of dash is dash. It is known as Newland's law of octobus, increasing atomic masses. What is the chemical formula for barium hydroxide? BaHOH2. Which chemical compound is used in a car batteries? Formula PbSO4 lead sulfur. Direct change of gas to solid without changing in to liquid is called deposition. How many traits were mentioned in the Debryan's trait? 4. H2 is a molecular formula in which of the following elements? Hydrogen. Which element has the highest atomic number and heaviest natural occurring element? Uranium. Which of the following is a block element? Rubidium. Washing soda. Washing soda, sodium carbonate, dehydrate, efflorescent crystals used for washing, especially textile, is compound of sodium. Which of the following gases, when cooled and compressed, can changes from gas to supercritical fluid state? Carbon dioxide. Liquid flows and changes. Liquid flows and changes surface and they are not rigid and thus also known as fluid. How many horizontal rows are present in the modern periodic table? 7. What is the atomic number of helium according to the modern periodic table? 2. Mendeleev periodic law was modified atomic number was adopted based on the modern periodic table. मेंडलीव का पीरियोडिक टेबल जो है उसी से ही मॉडिफाई करके मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल बनाए गए हैं। चलिए 2024 का कंप्लीट करते हैं। आज से 55 सेकंड हो चुका है। इसके बाद कल हम करेंगे 2023 का सारा केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन। हाँ, आप लोग टेलीग्राम में इसका PDF आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा। टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन कर लीजिए।